We are celebrate Lohri, Pongal and Makar Sankranti. Happy Lohri, Pongal and Makar Sankranti. Thank you.
నమస్కారం అందరికీ మకర సంక్రాంతి శుభాకాంక్షలు from Delhi Public School Jagdalpur. This harvest festival is here and I wish all that this occasion brings you glory and goodness in your life. So, we the students of Chenab House has got the golden opportunity to conduct today's morning assembly on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. So, without wasting our time, let us move to our proceedings. So, today we have thought, amazing facts, followed by news bulletins, a speech on Lohri and a speech on Pongal, a dance performance on Makar Sankranti and Lohri.
सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु यही नाम है सहारा यही नाम है आधारा यही नाम है सहारा यही नाम है आधारा सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु मुख जान दे जिस्म पर आत्मा अमर है जिस अंग संग प्रभु है उन फिर किसका डर है सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु सत्यनाम श्री वाहेगुरु
Good morning. Happy Makar Sankranti and Lohri to all. I am Mesham of grade 8 presenting today's thought. Today's thought is surround yourself with people who talk about visions and ideas, not other people. I repeat it, surround yourself with people who talk about vision and ideas, not other people. By Akin Olakan. Its meaning is the people who are around us put a great effect on our thinking. Therefore, it is very important to be surrounded by the people who have great vision and ideas about life, and not by the people who are just interested in talking about others. Because in this way, we waste our time and fill it with negativity. Thanking you. Have a nice day.
My name is Aarti Sharma and I'm from class 8, and today I'll say some news about Lohri, Makar Sankranti and about coronavirus and some national news. First, Lohri marks the end of the winter solstice and harvesting of rabi crops also on the day Lord Sun is prayed. Second, on this day the people who celebrate this festival gets all dolled up in colorful attires.
Morning is Principal Ma'am, dear teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Vedant Kumar of Chenab House, is going to tell some amazing facts on Makar Sankranti and Lohri. Makar Sankranti is a festival which falls on the same day every year as it follows the solar calendar. On Makar Sankranti, the sun enters the sun sign of Capricorn or Makara, the Indian Rishi. Makar Sankranti is predominantly a harvest festival and is celebrated throughout India. Now some amazing facts on Lohri. Lohri is also a harvest festival just like Makar Sankranti. Lohri is a festival celebrated for good harvest of rabi crops. Lohri marks the end of winters and the longest night of the year. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸੂਰਜ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਿਰਨਾਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਬਹਾਰ ਨੱਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਲਦੀ ਆ ਢੋਲ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਤੇ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ Good morning everyone, my name is Anya Jain. I am from class 9th. Today I am here to present a speech on Lohri. Lohri is a festival full of energy and happiness which is considered to be the new beginning of life with warmth and love. It is a festival that reaps the result of hard efforts of farmers and harvests rabi crops also known as sugarcane. This festival shows religiousness of the people as they pray to the god for a good harvest and their attachment to the nature. Thank you.
गुड़ की मिठास पतंगों की आस संक्रांति में मनाओ जमकर उल्लास Happy Makar Sankranti. Myself Varna Gaur from class 9th DPS Jabalpur. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is the celebration of the harvest festival. We all know that spring is the most pleasant of all seasons. It is accompanied by pleasant weather, calm winds, and a sunny but not scorching weather. All of these reasons together make spring the perfect season to grow crops and sustain high crop yield. It is also known as Pongal in South, Lohri in Punjab, Uttarayan in Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. It is also known as the Kite Festival in several parts of our country, India. Kites are flown on this day to honor the sun god. It is celebrated a day after Lohri. Sweets and clothes are exchanged among the families. Thank you and have a nice day.
सबकी सोचे सिकुड़ गई है, सबकी अलग है टोली। सबकी सोचे सिकुड़ गई है, सबकी अलग है टोली। ना हो मराठी, ना पंजाबी, ना भैया बंगाली। गुड़ गुड़ गया, गुड़ गुड़ बोला, गुड़ गुड़ गया, गुड़ गुड़ बोला। ಏಳುಗಲ ದಿಂಡುಗಳು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಹೋ, ಏಳುಗಲ ದಿಂಡುಗಳು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಹೋ, ಏಳುಗಲ ದಿಂಡುಗಳು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. दिल के जैसा दिल हो मेरा, गुड़ के जैसी बोली। दिल के जैसा दिल हो मेरा, गुड़ के जैसी बोली। आओ मिलकर संग बनाए प्रेम की एक रंगोली। गुड़ गया, गुड़ गया, गुड़ गया, गुड़ गुड़ बोला।
India is the land of festivals, and one of the very first festivals of the year to be celebrated in our country is the festival of Makar Sankranti. But why do we celebrate this festival? What is the history of this festival? What is the meaning of Makar Sankranti? I know you have all these questions, and that's why you have clicked on this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end to get all the answers. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in January every year and marks the termination of the winter season and the beginning of a new harvest season. It is dedicated to Lord Sun. On this auspicious day, the sun enters the zodiac sign of Capricorn, which is known as Makar in Hindi, and that is why the festival is named as Makar Sankranti. From the day of Makar Sankranti, the sun begins its northward journey, hence the festival is also known as Uttarayan. Before Makar Sankranti, the sun is in the southern hemisphere. For this reason, in India, nights are longer and days are smaller in winter. But with the Makar Sankranti, the sun starts its journey towards northern hemisphere, and so days will be longer and nights smaller. Now let's talk about the history of Makar Sankranti. Sankranti was believed to be the avatar of goddess. According to a legend, Devi Sankranti killed a devil named Sankarasura. The next day to Makar Sankranti is called Kari Din or Kinkranti. It was the day on which devil Kinkarasura was slew. There are other historical and cultural importance of this festival also. It is believed that Surya visits his son Shani on Sankranti day. King Bhagirath liberated his ancestors from curse after bringing river Ganga to earth on this day. It is believed that Bhishma Pitama, who had the boon of Ichha Mrityu, left earth on this day. Also, Lord Vishnu buried the Asuras under Mandara Parvat on this day. According to Drik Panchan, 16 hours from the time of Makar Sankranti is considered good for auspicious work. Makar Sankranti is celebrated by different names across different parts of India. One day before Makar Sankranti, Lohri is celebrated with enthusiasm mainly in Haryana and Punjab. In Uttar Pradesh, it is celebrated as the festival of donation, which continues for 1 month on the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers. In Tamil Nadu, the festival is celebrated as Pongal for 4 days. In Gujarat, Kite Festival is organized on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. At the end, I would like to say that Makar Sankranti is a very important festival and it signifies India's unity in diversity. Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you.